Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Civic wiper blade inserts. This simple method helps you maintain clear visibility without buying entirely new wiper assemblies. You will need just a few basic items: a small flathead screwdriver, a pair of new wiper blade inserts, and perhaps a clean cloth. This quick task can be completed in about 10 to 15 minutes for both wipers, ensuring your windshield stays clear and safe. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from your windshield until it locks into place. Next, examine the wiper blade assembly. You will find a small metal tab or clip at one end of the rubber insert. Using your small flathead screwdriver, carefully pry open this tab. Once released, you can slide the old, worn rubber insert out of the metal frame. Pay attention to the two thin metal splines that run along the insert. These will be reused. Now take your new wiper blade insert. Carefully remove the two thin metal splines from the old rubber insert and slide them into the corresponding grooves on the new insert. It is crucial that these splines are correctly positioned to provide proper tension. Then, slide the new insert with the splines back into the wiper blade frame. Push it firmly until the locking tab at the end clicks securely, holding the new insert in place. Once the new insert is securely in place, gently lower the wiper arm back onto your windshield. Before driving, it is a good idea to test your new wipers. Spray some water on the windshield and activate them to ensure they clear the glass smoothly and quietly. Remember to replace your wiper blade inserts every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice streaking or chattering, to maintain clear visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.